Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So, I've just started creating vlogs. Mostly, you will see a lot of travel vlogs and cooking vlogs in my channel. This is my first attempt at making a homebody sort of a vlog, and I hope you like it. I have bought a number of items from IKEA, and the box has arrived. So I'm going to unbox, and I have bought two lamps. One is a Christmas star, and another one is this mushroom shaped lamp. So let's find out how they look. I'm going to unbox it here. Move, move, move. Okay. Some hangers. Okay, this is the star lamp. It's called Strala. I got, I think this is the toothbrush holder that I had bought. Oh, looks classy. This is an organizer that I bought for my washroom. These are the bulbs that I got for the lamps that I bought. This is the stand for the Strala lamp. And finally, this is the Tokabo lamp from IKEA. Hi, so I'm going to unpack this lamp, the Tokabo lamp from IKEA. How cute it looks. This is the cord. Okay, I figured it out. I'll just put in the bulb in this one, and then we'll set it up. Okay. I'm going to use this apple. So I'm done prepping lunch and breakfast. So now I'm gonna make some matcha for myself. I'm not great, but I'll try to make one with oat milk. So yep. I'm using matcha by Island Japan. Hi, so I recently bought this book. It's called Wild Swans by uh, Jung Chang. This looks like a personal memoir and it's pretty fat. I've recently started reading fat books. I'll tell you how. So I have a Kindle, and when you start reading a book on your Kindle, you don't really know what is the thickness of the book, right? And I ended up reading quite a number of lengthy thick books, and I realized that I have it in me to read fat books, right? So that is why I took up a challenge, and I bought this one. I'll probably start this next week after I finish the two books that I'm reading. I'll tell you more about the books that I'm reading now, but yeah, I'm very excited about this book, and I thought I'll show you. Hi, so I'm going to be prepping for today's dinner, which is a mushroom mutter. So I'm going to do all the cutting and chopping now so that I don't have to work too hard in the evening. So yes, so I was reading a book called The Orbital by Samantha Harvey, and it's apparently a Booker Prize winner. And so far, I'm really liking it. It's about six astronauts who are in a spaceship, and this spaceship is doing the Earth's orbit. And very beautifully, the author is writing about what all is going on in their mind while they are watching the Earth from up there. It's not a very lengthy book, it's just 150 pages. So I think I'm gonna finish it in a day or two and start the Chinese book that I was talking to you about. Very dirty mushrooms. So now that I don't have a cook, I find myself cooking all the time. I thought with enough meal prep, I don't have to work too hard, but it looks like I'm always in the kitchen. I So this black coffee that I'm having, it's from Davidoff. I recently switched from Nescafe to Davidoff, and I'm quite liking it. So this is my break time after lunch and work, and I'm enjoying some book reading and a cup of coffee. Hi, so I'm going to be unpacking my meal order. First, we have some spring rolls, which I'm going to be using in my husband's lunch. Then we have some chicken curry cut with skin. This is our main, and my son also has started liking chicken, so I buy more of chicken. Some more chicken. Oh, we have We have a chicken steak. So I pair chicken steak with a lot of quinoa tossed with some veggies. They go really well. Another one. And okay, I bought sausages after a long time because I realized I could put some pieces of sausages in fried rice, and they look and they taste amazing. So we are going to be having this cinnamon bun and also my son's favorite, which is a cheesecake. I thought I bought a blueberry cheesecake, but it looks like it's a plain one, but it works. Hi, so okay, my son is sleeping, so I'm just gonna whisper a little bit. Bear with me. So, the second book that I'm reading, apart from The Orbital by Samantha Harvey, is this cozy fantasy. It's called Legends and Lattes. Okay, yeah, look at this. It's Legends and Lattes by Travis Baldry. So on Instagram a few days ago, I asked my friends for a cozy fantasy recommendation, and more than five people recommended this one. And trust me, it is so good. I mean, it is really cozy and it's definitely fantastical. I'm reading about this girl who's not exactly a girl, she's an orc. Her name is Viv, and she's come to this new town to start a cafe. How cute is that? And I'm reading Orbital together. I'm watching something on Netflix also parallelly. After one of these books is over, I'll pick up that other Chinese book, Wild Swan, that I was showing you guys. Key. You don't want to sleep? Ninu. No? So I'm just done making dinner. Now I'm just prepping for tomorrow's rajma. Okay, so I'm just gonna edit the vlog. It's gonna take 2 to 3 days. Maybe I'll post it on YouTube end of this week. Bye.